Darsha, and Akash. Here's my sister, and here's my mom. Hi. We're going for a long drive now. This is our city. We're just driving through, going for a long drive. And this is part of the riverside. Let's see. So on that side over there is America, and we're in Canada. Over there you could see a bridge to go to America. So that's America over there. That's how we pass through. Obviously now we can't go anywhere because of what's going on, but if we were to go somewhere, that's how we would go. Just finished our bike ride, and now we're at a riverside. It was really fun riding our bikes, but now we're just came for a long drive, and we're parked in front of the riverside, just getting some air. Oh, it's a boat coming. Now we're just going home, so we'll see you next time on another awesome vlog.